Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. This week we went out to Boston's Restaurant and Sports Bar for a cruise-in for September. There were more cars there this time. We're starting to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. While we were at the Boston's Cruise-In, a spontaneous Jeep rally occurred. We also have a little footage from that.
Texas Roadhouse in Alabama.
No, we hadn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we hadn't.
I thought we did.
Nope, that was Lone Star.
Oh, okay. Well, you got a few. More than last time.
Yep.
Yeah.
Of course, that last time it's because we didn't get here until...
Yeah, it had been raining.
No, we had a viewing.
Oh. Yeah. Where you want to park?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
We're gonna park over here with this green car for now.
Yeah.
Back in.
Yeah. I can walk and take pictures if you want me to.
Yeah.
And he's all over the line over here.
That's why I'm not any closer.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's a Jeep.
You must be fixing to put some big ass tires on that thing.
On something.
Yeah. Yeah. Nothing else showed up. He waved
Or
at
Le
you.
Mans, sorry. There's your trans. Another. Oh my God! What did they do to it?
I don't know, he seems to be having an issue parking. I'm gonna get it like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it's getting good pictures.
Alright, we'll come around and do it again.
Why?
Just because.
You want me to stop at this one?
No.
Just keep it going?
Yep.
Okay. I don't know why you do it a second time.
Just because. Trust me.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah, you can stop it now.
You can look at it while I'm in Walmart.
Yep.
What did they say was going in there? Burlington? No, there's Burlington.
BJ's or Costco,
Oh, okay.
I think.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep.
The Jeepers. Over there too.
My camera wasn't doing a very good job.
Well, you'll have it on there.
Maybe.
Well, son, we'll come out of Walmart. If you want to come over here, we'll take another picture with another video with your camera or your phone. If you want to do it now, we'll do it again on your phone.
Yeah, we'll do it right now.
Well, watch out, this one's backing up.
I'm watching them. Got a bus behind me.
No, not 7541.
Yeah. Camera's right down there.
Yeah. And you want a video?
Yep.
All right. Didn't expect to see all them Jeeps.
I saw them when we went in.
I didn't. Okay.
That's what I was asking. Did you see all them Jeeps when we went by?
No.
Well, now you did.
Yep. There's one on the other side too. And one right there.
Alright. Start recording.
It started. She knew what you were doing. Okay.